Man, this math stuff is really hard. Identifying special parallelograms? Crazy confusing. Never gonna get my math homework done.
I can help if you want.
Who said that?
I did.
Where? I don't see you.
Yeah, you do. You're sitting right next to me.
Tuffy? You can talk?
Yeah, and I'm really good at math, too.
Wow. Can Sadie do that too?
No.
Oh.
Do you still want help with your math homework?
Yeah, sure. Come on, let's go. Pasture.
To learn math. Now tell me, what shape is this pasture?
Rectangular?
How do you know?
Because it looks like a rectangle.
Well, okay, but there's a way you can prove it mathematically. So here's your pasture. You said it was a rectangle, right?
Uh-huh.
And what is a rectangle?
A parallelogram?
Right, so let's start by proving it's a parallelogram. For a shape to be a parallelogram, just one of these has to be true. So we can already tell that this is a parallelogram because these two lines in the middle, called the diagonals, bisect each other. Next, we have to find out if it's a rectangle.
But how can we? There's barely any information at all.
That's okay, we don't need all the information. We just need to prove one of these to know if it's a rectangle.
Really? That's all?
Yep, and even though we can't tell for sure if this parallelogram has a right angle, we can tell that it's a rectangle because all the diagonals are equal.
Awesome! This isn't as hard as I thought.
That's just an easy one. We'll try something a little harder next.
Oh joy.
Okay, so let's try this shape next. We'll start the same way we did last time, by proving it's a parallelogram.
Okay, well, it looks like it's a parallelogram because those two sides are parallel and congruent, and they're opposite.
That's right. So now we can move on.
It doesn't look like it's a rectangle. It doesn't meet either of the requirements. So what is it?
Well, it could be a rhombus. Here are the rules for that.
That's it. It's a rhombus. See, the diagonals are perpendicular.
Good job. And I have a little secret to share with you. If you have a parallelogram that meets the requirements for the rectangle and the rhombus, then it's a square.
I can solve for 3 shapes now. Yes.
Yes, but there are more than just parallelograms to solve for. Are you done now? These are the rules for a few quadrilaterals you might see. You might want to write these down, because we're about to try a few problems. So here's a rhombus, and we can already see we have a little information. We know that diagonals are bisected, and we can see that they are also perpendicular. So it says that angle RSU is 2x minus 86 degrees. Let's try and solve for angle RQT.
Okay, so we can solve for x by setting it equal to 2x minus 86, because they're alternate interior, right?
Yes. If you extend these 3 lines, then you can see that RSU and RQT are the opposite of each other, but are both on the interior side.
Yeah, so now we can just do some simple algebra to find out that the answer is 86?
Yep.
Cool, that wasn't so hard.
Alright, then let's try one more problem. So here we have a trapezium, and as you can see, it has a line going through its middle, as well as the parallel symbols on its top and bottom. An important thing to know about this middle section is that it is half the sum of the bases. Solve for x.
Oh, I get it. So if we add the bases, that's 11x plus 1 and 7x minus 10, then we can set it equal to 3x.
Almost. You can't forget to divide the sum by 2.
Oh yeah, got it. So if we do the math, combine the like terms, multiply the 2, add the 9, subtract the 6, and divide by 12, we should get x equals 3/4, right?
That's right. Good job.
This makes so much more sense now. Thanks, Tuffy. I guess I know who to come to to with all my future math problems.
No problem.
Oh jeez, I almost forgot my language arts homework. Man, writing this essay is hard. I've got like 0 ideas. Hey Rudolph, can you help me with this? Oh well, I guess only dogs are good at homework help.
Sorry, I'm better at math.
This video was shot purely for its educational content. No animals shot in this video were involved in the solving and/or making of any mathematical problems. Please do not seek mathematical guidance from your pets. Thank you. Right? Are you recording?
It's too bad you're not talking right now.
I'm sorry. Let's not film it by cattle poop. Wait, no I don't. Oh geez. Okay. I'm gonna wait till movie until Sadie moves. Awesome! I can understand and solve for 3 shapes now. Sorry. Then I was like,
Dang it.
ugh. What?
I think Tubby was in the background behind you.
But I thought he was next to me! Making of any mathematical problems. Please do not seek guidance from your pets for mathematical guidance. I said mathematical guidance twice.